Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make this really cool fountain effect. I sculpted this little fountain pool inspired by Count Dracula, and it's supposed to be somewhere in his dungeon. And I made several resin casts, which I'll be using for this video. So let's get started. I painted the pieces and added a 2-part resin mix as my water foundation, which I will build on, and I will show you this resin that I used in a second. This is the material I used. I mixed 2 equal parts, and it is a really good resin for this project. For the water movement coming out of the fountain, you could use DAP 3.0 or Woodland Scenics water waves. In this case, I prefer using DAP 3.0. You just have to make sure if you're going to use it to close the tip, otherwise it will dry on you. You get more for the money if you use DAP 3.0 as opposed to Woodland Scenics, so I recommend that instead. I will also be using UV resin to create the shape of the water coming out of the fountain, and a UV flashlight to cure the resin. To add color, I'm using alcohol-based inks. These are meant for resin, but they're great for this project. I will also use a piece of plastic. Pour some UV resin on the little plate. These inks are very strong, and because I don't want to make the water too dark, I'm just going to use a few tiny little drops just to give some color to the water. I purposely used extra material just so that I can trim to the correct size that I need. The wrinkles in the back formed by the shrinking of the bag will help with additional texture. I add some UV resin to the mouth to help me glue down the strip of resin. Now that the resin is fully hardened, it is time to add volume, water movements on both the top and bottom. I will dilute this a bit using 99.9% isopropyl alcohol, nothing less, and very important, no water. I added some of that ink and applied it. once you've covered all the areas that you want the water to be, then worry about shaping it into form. If the clear caulking starts getting sticky on you, simply dip the sculpting tool that you're using in alcohol, and this will allow you to soften it and continue working through it. To give a bit more texture of realism, I added a very tiny amount of white to the mix and created some foam gathering at the very point where there's contact between the water coming out and the pool at the bottom. With that application done, we have finished this project. Here's the other one I did, this time with blood. As I mentioned earlier, this is Count Dracula's dungeon fountains, and it is only fair to have one pouring out blood, since that's what he feeds on. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I challenge you to try it and have fun. The possibilities with this one technique are endless. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching.